This is Phil Beck with the Professional Painter and Decorator, and we're up at the Brewers event up in Mansfield. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about the Brewers event, please look in that corner there. But I'm trying to do each little trade stand on their own individual video on my channel because it makes it a lot easier for people to actually watch. And we're trying to keep it 5 to 10 minutes so you can get all the information you need, particularly on the product that we're going to be talking about. Now, I'm over on the Prestonett stand. I'm with Brian Betts. Big supporter of the channel. I feel like Brian's a close friend. I know we don't see each other all the time, but we do have a bit of a laugh between each other. His videos on my channel, let's just put it, he's not quite got me the Porsche yet, but people are very much interested in the product that he actually demos when I actually see him. So I'm going to do a swivel round of the camera like I normally do, and I'm going to put you in the capable hands of Brian. If you've not met him before, also I'm going to put a link there to when he came over to my YouTube studio back, January.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, beginning of the year. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and Brian will talk to us. Thanks, Brian.
No problem. Nice to see you again, as always. Are we going to do a quick run?
Let's do a quick demo of the product that's taken over from Plasterers, and we don't need a plasterer anymore.
So it's the Prestonett Multi-Light 4-in-1 filler. It's a really, really good multi-purpose filler. It will fill holes in cracks up to 8 mil deep. And it will also, its party piece is that you can skim it by applying using a roller so we can get a large surface area covered with it. Normally get a comment at that point that it looks like Artex, which yes it does look very nice in an Artex type product. And then using our applicator / blade, we don't want it too open, we don't want it too closed, we want just the right amount of pressure on there. And you can see, get a phosphorus finish coming through with it. Tidy up that little area there. As I said to begin with, it's a multi-purpose filler. It will fill holes and cracks up to 8 mil deep. If we're just using it as a top skim, as I am here, we just need 1 mil of product. Using it as 1 mil of product just for a top skim, a 12 kilogram bucket will give you 10 square meters coverage.
And a bucket full, because I've had more than a couple of these, roughly about 30 quid.
About 30 quid?
30 quid.
For the show, it's on a special offer of $22.99. It's normally $24.99 plus VAT. But Brewers, it's a special promotion running through June and July. We have a new product to show you here. It's the roller skimming kit. In this you get the 180mm 7-inch roller, which you just see me using there. You get the 14-inch blade as well, and you also get an exclusive, you get a 10cm 4-inch blade taping knife with it as well. The promotion within Brewers, you buy this for $49.99, and that enables you to get 20% off the 12 kg and the 4 kg buckets of filler.
That is always the question that gets asked. Can I use a sheepskin roller? Can I use an ordinary roller?
Must be.
You could use it, but you will struggle.
Yeah, you would struggle. You could use a masonry type roller.
Yeah.
It has to be a special nylon high pickup roller. You see, it's very coarse, very rough.
Very wiry.
Very wiry, yeah. But that enables you to pick up quite a quantity of product.
Yeah, and that's it. And we're going to make it clear, because we do joke about the day of the plasterer as nearly at the end. This is a product that helps the decorator to get improvement on walls if you have got bad plastering. Yeah. That is nearly smooth as a baby's bottom finish, but what you do is you let that dry, and then you'll either fine sand it by hand, or if you've got a Merkur sanding system that will dust extract, you can actually sand that even smoother.
You can indeed. And as you can see from our pop-up signs behind Phil, I'm not sure whether many of your viewers will know, we also own the Bagar brand, the sprayable plaster. That's quite a growing market in the UK at the moment, so maybe something that your viewers would be interested in as well.
Yeah, if they want to branch into spray on plaster.
Yeah.
That's great. Do you know what? You're a star. It's always a pleasure to talk to you.
See you as well.
Thank you very much. I know this video will probably get 10,000 views in a couple of days because people are very much interested in this product. So thank you very much, Brian.
Well, I'm going to have to love you and leave you because I've got customers interested in it now.
Oh, of course they are. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes, Phil. Thank you. Thanks, mate.